So what is that little beauty you've got at the end there, mate?
1K Nano, one of our faves.
I know exactly what that is, mate. What a bit of gear that is.
Do you want to tell our good customers at home how you apply this?
Mate, I love to apply that with them pads in front of it, you know. Nice slow speed, 3-minute work time, 3-minute cure time, buff off, driving away in 3 hours.
Yeah, dual action polisher with that. Very quick.
Yeah, really slow speed.
And I know you like using the dual action with this because it gives you a nice level, no high spots, nice level, clean finish.
You can generally do a panel at a time, more than comfortable.
1 year protection, but
you can
Nano Magic.
3 years just by cleaning it with Nano Magic shampoo.
Yeah,
fantastic.
Amazing. We've got this actually on trial at the minute on one of my lads' cars, and it's working really well. The contaminants are coming off really easy. The shine's still there. So
the gloss that gives just by putting that on is unreal.
Yeah. So inside the box, we obviously get this nice size bottle here. We get a little decanting bottle.
Yeah, which is more than enough.
And there's an applicator sponge inside. So if you don't want to do it with a dual action polisher, you can apply it straight with the sponge.
Yeah, absolutely.
I do use the sponge for the intricate areas that you don't want to get a backing pad, you know, a big machine in.
No, it's a good call.
But yeah, it's lovely.
So now we've got the van clean.
Yeah.
I think we should treat it to a bit of 1K.
Yeah. James, done the M3.
Yeah.
Anti-hologram.
Yeah.
Got it looking nice and shiny. Most important step before 1K Nano, got a panel wipe.
Yeah.
Get any residue that's left on there completely off.
So, mate, I'm not going to go glugging it on the panel. I'm just going to spray it on the cloth and just glide it. We haven't got to go
The thing with this is we need this panel surgically clean, don't we, James?
That's exactly
so that the 1K Nano can adhere to the clear coat.
This is all about, mate, a bit of adhesion.
So, Koch Chemie seal, panel wipe, get it off. Nice, James.
Okay, Steph.
James, 1K Nano time.
I'm going to do the bulk of this bonnet with the machine.
Okay, important step with this.
Shake the
Before we decant it into there, give it a good shake.
Yeah, I've done that, mate.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to draw a nice, like that.
So you do the bulk, I'll go round the nitty gritty areas with the pad.
Brilliant, suits me. Okay, Steph, we've applied 1K Nano onto the bonnet.
It's now adhered to the clear coat.
Yeah.
So with this is now going to become our semi-permanent coating.
Yeah, it's going to look amazing. Special Koch cloths, short pile one side, long pile the other. These are made for this product, I'm sure they are.
Okay,
so
let's get it off, James.
Let's glide it off. Right, Steph.
Yeah.
We've just took 1K Nano off again.
Okay, so process, once the car's cleaned, clay barred it, F6 medium cut.
Yeah.
M3 fine, panel wipe, apply the 1K Nano.
Yeah.
Now that has now become our semi-permanent coating.
Looks
that's
fantastic.
now adhered to the clear coat. It's going to last around 12 months.
3 hours to cure.
Yep. 3 hours, Nano Magic shampoo, maintenance wash thereafter. Happy days.
That's done for the next 3 years.
Perfect.
Good
Nice
job,
James.
Well done, mate.